Once the prerequisites are completed, you can move your cryptocurrencies from your funding account to your spot account. Start by logging into Binance. On the homepage, click on your profile icon and then choose Assets. In the left menu, select Funding to view your account. For this example, we will transfer LDO from the funding account to the spot account. Note that the operation can be performed in both directions. Click on the three dots next to the chosen cryptocurrency and select Transfer. You will then be able to choose the sender and receiver account, modify the previously selected token, and specify the transfer amount. Congratulations, you have transferred your cryptocurrency from one account to another. Note that internal transfers on Binance are free.